harmony, because when you see a patient very natural, you know, with gray hair, with no makeup, so we have to analyze the personality of the patient and to keep this personality, of course. If we have a patient who loves to be, you know, with a lot of makeup and big lips, and sometimes we can conserve, if it's possible, her personality. So, in her case, I propose her to do a little bit the contour of the face. I propose to inject the contour just to restore the contour. Here, in this area, to lift and to restore the loss of volume here, and to inject the neck to show you the technique. And of course, she asked me to do the neck because she needed something to, you know, to be in harmony with her face. This is the longer one, no, not the longer one, because the Softfeel has the 22 gauge 90 millimeter, very useful to treat the arm and you know, some indication in the body. But this one, I use a lot this one for injecting the contour of the face, the lateral areas. Point is here. Yeah, exactly here. Okay. Now you have to take the skin with the left hand, introduce the cannula in the point, slowly, very slowly, and in the epidermis, superficial epidermis. So you know, I show you the level injection, very superficial, and you have to move the cannula very slowly. My patient is okay.
Je sens un peu, mais c'est...
Okay, she feel a little bit, but it's okay, she say. Okay, and what is important is to come in this little depression here. Now you have to take care about one parameter. It's the red point in the embasis of the cannula. This red point show you, but you can't see it because it's really very little. But the red point show you where the product go out. So now I want a bolus of product here, not here. You see, I want my product go under the contour. You see. So I need the red point to be at my left and not at my right side. I am injecting slowly. The tip of the cannula is here. Okay, and now I want to move a little bit the cannula under the precedent point. So I move it, I have to pull up a little bit in order to push in another direction. So you see, my left hand is very useful to guide the cannula. The tip of the cannula is, you see it very well now. And the red point, and you know, Softfeel is presenting this red point for this, especially to be precise when we inject. Now, I had inject a little quantity. I continue. Stillage L with a 22 gauge 70 millimeter cannula. You're welcome. So you see the bolus I am injecting now in the first wrinkle. Slowly, because we have to choose the level. My level need to be superficial. I am in the first wrinkle of the neck. So you see now, I am superficial, injecting with a 22 gauge cannula, Stillage L, lidocaine, with lidocaine. I have decided at the beginning when I saw my patient to use 1 ml of Stillage L in the contour, 1 ml for the one side of the neck. So, you know, we need a lot of product when we do the neck. Usually I do 1 ml each side. This is a treatment patients are very satisfied about the treatment because there is no solution except this one to lift the neck. So you see the level of injection, and I am injecting little by little. Very hyaluronic acid. Usually I used more my left hand, but I want you to see. And I move the cannula. I am in the hypodermis, not in the carotid or the jugular. Okay, and you see, this is Stillage L. This is relatively viscous. Now, well, it's a little bit hard to do it at the beginning, of course, but I am moving my cannula up, and you know, I am injecting in the hairline just to create a more stretching effect. And look, this direction is very interesting.
It's like a facelift, actually.
Yes, this is like a medical feeling facelift. You see, the cannula is behind the hairline.
Moi, je le sens un peu.
Ah oui, c'est normal ça. Voilà, j'ai fini. C'est fini là.
Ça va éviter.
So you see, this is other indication. Yes, I am in hypodermis, superficial hypodermis, so deep dermis. Deep dermis. If you can do with 1 point, it's good because we use only 1 level, and it's very good to use 1 level because we stretch better. But if you are not very, it's not very practical for you to use 1 point, you can use different point if you prefer, of course, at the beginning. On va faire l'autre côté. So you see, the point is just like 1 centimeter from the ear. I am never over the bone. I don't like. I think that it's better to move in the hypodermis. It's very easy to move in the fat, so I prefer. But except in the dark circle, because we have to be on the bone. But usually I am in the hypodermis, no on the periosteum. Okay, you see the tip of the cannula is on the chin.
Et pour agrandir le menton,
to enhance the chin, of course we can. In this case, we put volumizers. We use volumizers, and we come from here and here. Okay, it's the same technique. But your point could be more near the chin if you have large face. So if I want to do the wrinkle under the chin, I show you. Just to finish the nappage. You see, it's really a new dimension when we treat the neck like that. Yes.
What are the complications can happen with the vessels over there?
I think nothing except bruises or hematomas if you go fast and you are not so delicate in your, because you can create an effusion just during the time you push the cannula, but that's all. It's impossible to do a secondary effect. Can you see it? Yeah. So you have to have your red point at my left side. The red point, sorry. Okay. I am injecting the wrinkle under the shin. You can do an Apache if you want.
Would you use the Ekman as well?
Yes? This is, yes, this is a 27 gauge cannula. I just have to finish the lateral area. One moment. Tu sais, Léonie, tu vas aller parler matin. You see where is the cannula? She's coming behind the hairline.